If x equals e raised to sin inverse t, y equals e raised to cos inverse t, find dy by dx at t equal to 1 by root 2. We have x equal to e raised to sin inverse t. So dx by dt is equal to e raised to sin inverse t into d by dt of sin inverse t. D by dt of sin inverse t is equal to 1 by root 1 minus t square. And y equal to e raised to cos inverse t. Therefore, dy by dt is equal to e raised to cos inverse t into d by dt of cos inverse t, that is minus 1 by root of 1 minus t square. Now we have dx by dt is equal to e raised to sin inverse t into 1 by root 1 minus t square, and dy by dt is equal to e raised to cos inverse t into minus 1 by root of 1 minus t square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is e raised to cos inverse t into minus 1 by root 1 minus t square whole divided by dx by dt, that is e raised to sin inverse t into 1 divided by root of 1 minus t square. We can cut this part, 1 divided by root 1 minus t square and 1 divided by root 1 minus t square. So we have, there is one minus here, so we have minus e raised to cos inverse t divided by e raised to sin inverse t. Now we will find dy by dx at t equal to 1 by root 2. dy by dx at t equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to minus e raised to cos inverse t. So cos inverse 1 by root 2 divided by e raised to sin inverse 1 by root 2. This is equal to minus e raised to, we know cos inverse 1 by root 2, we know cos pi by 4, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to pi by 4. So e raised to minus e raised to pi by 4 divided by, here also e raised to sin inverse 1 by root 2, we know sin pi by 4 also 1 by root 2. So e raised to sin inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to e raised to pi by 4, e raised to pi by 4. So minus e raised to pi by 4 divided by e raised to pi by 4, this is equal to minus 1. So our answer is minus 1.